Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all-new laptop. This was sent over by HP, in which if you want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. Now, this here's the all-new HP Spectre X360, a very laptop for James Bond himself, in which it combines elegance as well as sophistication into one. Not to mention, it actually looks really cool and has a lot of different characteristics, such as the ability to fold over and turn to a tablet. How cool is that? So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box, and off the bag, I'm going to say this thing looks really incredible. Almost looks like a jewelry box, and you can see that they did take quite amount of pride in the box itself. So it's always nice to see them reflecting that on the laptop itself, as well as the container that it comes with. Now, on the back itself, it does come with this cool looking pouch, so you can go ahead and, it's like a sleeve where I would say that you can just go ahead and put your laptop in there and kind of carry it wherever you go. And it's made out of a nice looking leather material, so do keep that in mind. Very nice. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this looks like. Alright, so it actually weighs a good amount. You see HP on the side, and then this says Spectre on the top here. So let's go ahead and slide this off. Nice! So on the top here we do see the HP logo as well as the top of the laptop. Very clean cut appearance and looks really elegant. So let's go ahead and lift this up. There we go. Wow, this thing looks really cool. Let's go ahead and put this to the side for now and take a look over here. So we see a setup instruction. Now over here we have a step-by-step guide on how to go ahead and boot this bad boy up and kind of see how it all functions all together. And then some touch gestures in terms of using the mouse pad, and then how to navigate the Windows Start screen. Now in here we have another package. So we have ourselves a charger. So this here is our charger. So you got the 3-pin over here, and then this will plug directly into the laptop itself. And then over here is the other part of the charger itself, so this will kind of plug into there as well. And then over here we have ourselves a stylus. Now this here is the upgraded stylus that it comes with, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Ooh, very cool. So it's actually got a very nice pen-like feel to it. You see there's 2 buttons on here as well. And you got the HP logo embedded on the top, and actually has a very nice clean-cut appearance. Definitely very professional and very elegant nonetheless. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look at the laptop now. Oh wow, look at that. So it's got a nice, almost like a graphite gray color to it, and it's got this nice metallic cold on the side as well. You do know that it's very thin. It's actually quite light as well. And then, yeah, I mean, right now I have to say this thing looks really incredible. And look how thin that thing is. That's crazy. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Wow, that is very cool. So you got a nice big mouse pad over here, so you can actually navigate using that. And the keyboard itself is actually quite easy to use, as it is also very long. And then we got the speakers on the side, and then the screen itself goes all the way to the edges, so do keep that in mind, so you get a nice full appearance. Now the unique thing about this particular laptop is the ability to fold over, and voila, we have ourselves a tablet. So you can always use the stylus as well as use your hands. You can rotate it to the side and use it like almost like a phone kind of style to it, and then you can just position it any way you like. Now some artistic details that I'd like to note is on the side here it does say Spectra, and then it's got this nice curve to this, very artistic look to it. Actually a very pretty looking laptop, probably one of the nicest laptops I've ever seen, and it has a very nice high quality grade feel to it as well. Does not feel fragile at all. So let's go ahead and boot up this bad boy and see what this is all about. Alright, so we're finally ready to go, and I have to admit the resolution on this laptop is amazing. Speaking of being at 4K, a lot of laptops are trying to go ahead and provide it, but none of it really do live up to this name, so that's why this computer itself does demonstrate it, especially with the screen. It looks as if we're really looking into the image itself. Now, if I just go ahead and open up a YouTube video here for a 4K, just to kind of show you how it looks, take a look at that. I mean, wow, looks like real strawberries over there. And like you can see that the quality on this thing is really outstanding. I mean, look at that. Even on, no matter what angle you look at it, it's actually really, really high quality. So, you know, they did a great job overall with the functionality of this thing. And, you know, the way it looks really does demonstrate the laptop itself. So yeah, really cool. Look at that. Whoa! Anyway, so let's just go ahead and swing back into the laptop itself. So, you know, as we already mentioned, you know, you can go ahead and use it as a traditional laptop, but also do note that it is touchscreen. So if I just go ahead and click on something like that, and you know, I can always go ahead and close it. But aside that, I can always use it as a tablet. So we'll just go ahead and flip this over here for you, and voila, look at that. I have myself a tablet. So I can just go ahead and use my finger here and just kind of like navigate through it, or I can even use the stylus that it comes with and just do that as well. So, you know, really cool stuff. You know, you can always like draw pictures and just kind of operate it based on that, and just do a lot of different things, you know. So it's actually really, really cool design. Now, besides that, you can always go ahead and like semi-fold it. So there you go. And then now we got ourselves a video display, so we can actually sit back and watch a movie at the same time. I mean, look at this thing flat like that. Wow. But yeah, you know, if you guys had any questions about this particular laptop, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.